Okay, so I'm just chilling here. I found this new um, thing by Steve Ruiz. It's like a bunch of components. It's like a little bit of the design system. It was designed by him to teach us how to use these components and how to code these components, but it's useful for anyone. I'm gonna give like a initial thoughts. I just saw it. Alright, this is it, guys. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go to the store. I think if you scroll a little bit, you'll see it here. Learn design system. You can also type learn. That's number one. Look, 1300 downloads. Boom. Install. Since it has a lot of components, it's gonna take a little bit of a second to download. I'm just gonna show you what these components are. I'm not gonna make anything. I'm just gonna drag and drop them. I'm gonna feature them on my phone because I have the iPhone R. If you have something else, you should feature these on your main phone. Okay, number one, alert Moodle. Okay, let's see the property controls. True. Okay, so you have to refresh. Okay, I get it. So they work as expected. That's kind of cool. Here, the only feedback I'll have is I'll never have two actionables with the same color. So one will be less than the other one. You can also wanna learn. If you wanna learn, tab, yes, yes, yes. Okay, yes, wanna learn. Boom. Look at that. That's kind of cool. All right. Delete. The next one is a button. The cool thing about this component is just like it's one component, right? So then, and inside of this component, you have secondary type, you have accent, you have warn, neutral, and ghost. It's like one button and it handles everything for you. Whoa, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, obviously I don't know how to type. Let's do it. It works. Okay, next one. The card. This has to be my favorite component. You see, it comes with a little shadow. I can already make it into something that I want. But if I want to, I can add a header. Right? And the title. You are not gonna believe. So that title is different than the header. But if I don't put anything on the header, it automatically becomes just that. If I add something to the body, details about the new show. Boom. Obviously this is gonna be too long, so we're gonna get rid of the believe. So this is what I'm dealing with, okay? So you delete something and automatically comes into place. I mean, that is just so awesome. Flexbox at its core. Auto size, oh, I guess you can true or false. That's so awesome. Like, this is the title. As a designer, I never want to worry about this stuff. You see? It automatically pushes everything. And then this is the footer. Favorite? Yay. You can also put an image. Look at me. Yes. Yes. Awesome. Yeah, so the car has to be my favorite. And this, it can have an overlay. It doesn't have to have an overlay. And you can change the color of the overlay based on your color tokens, which is fire. This is what you want. Oh, look how much editing I'm doing so quickly. Next, car list. This is something that I have to talk to Steve because I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do here. So I have some properties, but this is not like a connect. It doesn't connect to something car list. I'm assuming that if I bring different lists, I can connect these. I don't know. Steve, some clarification here. How do I use your car list? Next. Checkbox, pretty straightforward. Boom, boom. Disable, boom, pause. Awesome. Checkbox Group. Look at this. This is what I'm dealing with. Obviously, Steve was trying to troll me because we're supposed to be this here, and if I put number 1, yes, and then Miami had to be the chosen one, obviously. Boom. Okay, this is what you want from a design system. I mean, how cool is this? How cool? And then it's interactive, right? This is too awesome. I mean, come on, guys. This is what we live for. Next. Where are we? Checkbox Group. Chip. Oh, chip is kind of like a what is chip? Fuck. Ingredient. Apples. Okay. So it's only one. Oh, okay, I get it. It's only like one. I want that. This doesn't feel okay. A list again with the cities that are in Miami. I don't want this to be cities. I want this to be ingredients, so it will be lemon, lime, lemon, mushroom. Yeah, that's what you want. This doesn't stretch, which is not as ideal. Oh, look, they come with a little XE guys. Huh. And you can't tap on it. Okay. They're a little bit unpredictable. Apple. Salt. Okay, so you see they kind of work, but they sometimes don't work. So I need to figure out. I guess if you move them a little bit, they stretch. So this is something kind of like a mini bug because they're supposed to stretch to fit the content. That's pretty cool. And I wish that these work as expected, but I guess they don't. Ooh, it's a bug here. Okay, gotta double check this later. Boom, no thank you. Okay, they pick her triplet container. What is this container? Alright, dealing with border. Okay, so it's kind of like a car, a shadow. Okay, cool. Day picker. Okay, so this is one of the ones that I really like. I mean, don't you want this? So let's see how you control it. You put the date here. February 06 1987. Great day for mankind. You already know what time it is. And you can switch the months here. Look at this. This is date pickers. I mean, come on guys. Oh my god, you can do range? Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay, so let's say I'm going August. So I'm flying to August to how do I I pick like all this stuff. Oh, okay, so yeah. So you gotta put this here. And okay, so for this, I'm gonna pick 9. It's a little bit tedious to work, so I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put 9 here, and then the other one I'm gonna put, yeah. So that's pretty much my vacation here, because I come back on the 19th. So I go there, I'm gonna be on loop on these 3 days, then I'm gonna try to make it to Barcelona, and then come back. Yeah, awesome. Date picker model. How do you do this? I don't know how this works. Okay. Divider. I hate when people do the dividers like this, but iOS is so weird. Whatever. Favorite, just a heart. Yeah. Interactive, of course. Icon. Okay, so here's my beef with this one. I really like the concept on this, but then you have to like look at this. Look how many icons there are, right? I wish this had like a search bar somewhere, so I can be like, boom, that one. Now I have to like, which one is it again? Battery. Yeah, you see, I really like that concept. A little bit could be different, but look, you can adjust the size, change that color from your colors. You already know what time it is. Divider, favorite icon, image is just an image. I like these components that are like so bare bones, and then you can make other stuff on top of it. I hate when a component is like has everything, and then you're sort of stuck with everything with everything that comes with it, even if you might not need it. I like molecules a lot better. Look at this. This is what you want. Customability, interactive. I don't know what this is. Steve, come on, get it together. Item list. Again with the nothing to see here. Okay, I guess you can use these with overrides, but I'm not sure. Okay. Link. Oh, link. Secondary. Action. Yeah, it's like a button, but only like a inline button. List. Oh, look at these. These come with like a children stuff. Let me make a component. Let me make a quick component, right? So let's say this guy is like this, and then it has like some sort of circle, and it has some sort of item here. Yeah, I made it like, okay, that's an item. Let's make that a component by Command K. And then let's make an instance and another instance and another instance. They all come from the same. Then what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make these. It's gonna be one color. It's gonna be another color. And just to be fancy here. Connect 1, connect 2, connect 3. Okay, so what happens now? Oh, I get it. So you have like, I mean, but it's like a stack. What's the difference between this and a stack? If you don't know what a stack is, let me just show you. Press S. I guess you have more control because you can connect these like that, I guess, and then you can move these around. Yeah. I want to say it's kind of cool, but I don't know how I will use it for. But yeah, pretty good, pretty cool. Let's delete everything. We were item list, link list, logo. Yeah, one logo, guys. One logo. Flat. You pass the color that you want to pass. I mean, this is what you want. You don't want anything else. One component that handles the logo. That's awesome. All right, map. I will do an entire episode about maps just because there's a lot of complexity here. And Mapbox also has its own component. I wonder why Steve decided to do it this way. Maybe he's using the latest API from Framer. Probably. This is the one that I'm more excited about because I've been trying to do this on my own forever, and I always get messed up with the type. CSS type. Am I supposed to put the type on a spam? Am I supposed to use Framer API? Whatever, right? So let's say my username is Lulato, boom, and then the text is yo, what up? Yo, what up? Right? And then I'm having a conversation with someone else. Be like, boom, like this. It's like nothing, just chilling. Got him. Okay. I don't know how to type. Nothing, just chilling. And this guy's not Lulato. This guy is Lulato's friend. Yeah. This is my world. Okay, so you're dealing with this and then you're having like a little conversation here. And this is how you make like a chat. Pew, pew, pew. Avatar. Obviously, it's gonna be me. No, I'm not a little friend. I'm this guy. That's me. It has to be exactly the same size. That's not good. Guys, get it together here. Let me have Flexbox. And then since I don't have any friends, I'm gonna talk to the ship. Again with the guys. This needs to be like already set up for me. I don't need to deal with this. Okay, whatever. So this is cool. I'm gonna play with this myself because essentially he's doing all of this so we can like learn how these components are made. All right, next one. Message model. I'm assuming it's just the model. Yeah, it's just a model. And you can connect it to something. Okay. Yeah, so the way that this works is that, so let's say I have a model, new, and this says, whoa, be careful. Whoa, be careful. Right? And then it probably has some sort of action. And this action is probably like blue or something. I don't know. Yeah. This whole model has to be like this, yeah. And then so what you do, you connect it like this. I'm assuming. Yeah. So yeah, that's kind of cool. And it even has like a little ooh, that's what you want. It comes with the animation. Okay, it's a little slow though. All right, cool model. It's cool. I like it. Delete everything. Navigation bar. This is for the top. Okay. What you got here? Okay, the navigation bar comes with all the customizable. So it has, again with the super dropping down. You can change the icon. If you don't want the word back, you can just have that. I like being verbose. I'm just gonna be like Lego back. Oh, this is for the other one. Okay, so this is settings or something. That's what you want. Ooh, okay. So I wouldn't put here because it's kind of tight. Why is it so close? Oh, you can. Oh, look at this. That's sick. This is what I love about Framer, because this lives in one component. I only have to deal with one component, right? So this whole thing is the same component, and it's just customizable. If I want it to be like the large one that expands, if it's just that one, and subtitle. What's subtitle? Let's see. Subtitle. You see? It's the auto flex. Auto flex with the thing. Boom, makes it. If I don't need it anymore, boom, goes back. That's what you want. This is what a design tool is all about. Getting in the way. You don't want the design tool to get in the way. Navigation bar, progress bar. Yeah, you already know. You already know what time it is. Why is this not refreshing? Why is that not live? Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, it doesn't refresh because it. Oh, if you time this with a loader, it's gonna be lit. Right? I would do it super fast, because I don't want people to wait. So my app will be like, let's make it start like at 35, 33, and then flash, next screen. We're doing this, boom. A stepper. What's stepper? A stepper is pretty self-explanatory. You want to make a tip, a lot of money, boom. Next. We actually, what else is customizable? Clamp value. Oh, you can maximize the value. Say 100. You see, like before, you can just go to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it. And you see, and this becomes disabled automatically. But if you put like 11, you can do one more. That's cool. Step. What is this? So every increment will be by 2, or whatever this number is. The minimal value. Anyway, everything that you need, it's right there. Boom, next one. Switch. You already know what time it is with this one. Oof, animations are ready. You can disable it if you want to. Boom. Next, tab. Let's see what this is. This is the tab. Stretchy. You can change the component if you want. Camera. Maybe the camera has to be here. And I wonder if these words are responsive, meaning if I do account. No way. Okay, so let's see what's happening. It's searching for an icon already. This is my favorite one. This has to be my favorite one. And you can also come to, oh, okay. Game over, guys. Game over. This is so awesome. And then if I want it to be automatically, I can just tell it to automatically go to camera. Boom. Go to camera. Boom. But those icons are self-explanatory, so we can just leave them like this. Kaploom. Kaboomy. Kaplowy. This is interactive, of course. What are we doing here? 2019, guys. 2019. Yeah. Boom. Next one. Tabs. You see, Steve, if you want me to make videos about your components, you gotta take out some of this nonsense here. Okay? Number one, baby. Number one. Yeah, and what's happening here? Wait, why is this not why is this like this? What the hell? And look at Miami, it's getting hidden here. Ooh, look at, ooh, it comes to the anime. I'm sure I can like edit this animation somehow. Yeah, Steve, Miami, number one, boom. What else? Tabs, template. What is template? What is this? Okay, yeah. It sucks to have the iPhone R because I have to readjust all these stupid things. Background, dark mode. Ooh, that's what you want. Okay, that's kind of cool. And then what I have here, I don't understand. I don't understand this. Template. I'm not sure how to use a template. Yeah, it's not very intuitive. Text. Interesting. Okay, I know Framer X is working on a text thing. I'm curious if this is their approach. Let me just go to our website and grab all this text. Put it here. Put it here. Okay, so we have that, right? And there's a link body. Ooh, okay. Okay, this is it, guys. This is it. So this text comes with all the CSS for all the text types. Meaning, if I'm working on a link, it will just be a link. But if I'm working on a body, it comes with all the body properties. Want to change the color? Boom. Yeah. Padding. Yeah. So let's say the body. Oh my god, this is so awesome. This is awesome. This is way too awesome. And then here it works. So if I want to do the title here, let's say here. You just drop it like it's hot here. And then make this heading 1. Yes. Yes. This is what I wanted. This is what I always wanted. Take out that padding because that padding is too much. Yes. I can keep doing this all day, every day. Let's see. Next one. Next one is. Drop it like it's hot here. And then this is not gonna be a heading, this is gonna be a link. Link, yeah. And then probably the text should be like something like darker or something. And this could be like dark. I wonder why they shake like that. Look at it, look at it. The kerning is not. I'm curious about what they're. Ooh, what is that? That's not hot. That's not hot. And then the next one's gonna be like, watch video. That's so awesome. That's so awesome. Okay, text layer has to be my game changer too. Text area. Text area is when you have to write a paragraph, so you can write it here. A love letter to Framer team. Fix this bugs so I can make. That's a little rude. I don't know. You get it. It's a long text box. It's different than text input because text input is just one line. Oh, ooh! It comes with a little X, but it doesn't work. What the hell? Ooh, let's see what the password looks like. Oh, get out of here, guys. Get out of here. You see? This is my password. You will never know because it's security. Secure. What else? What else? Read only? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Clearable, true. You see the. Ooh, did I mess it up? Oh, I'm trying to delete it, but I delete it from here, not from here. Okay, value. Clearable. Yeah. So the clearable brings that little X, but it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. I don't know what the hell. Password. Okay. Require. I guess that require just makes you like, if you skip it, it will scream at you. And disable, just make it disable. That's cool. Text input. I think that's it. Those are all the components from that thing. Ooh, what is helper? Let's see what helper. Secret ones, colors. What am I doing here? Colors. Text. This is kind of like, kind of like to show you how they look. Okay, got it. And templates, what is templates? This is the thing that I don't understand. Navigation. Okay. Okay, this comes with everything. Okay. If you ever wanted to make an app, you pretty much have everything that you need right here. At least to prototype one. This is too awesome. There's minor fixes. I'm sure all of this is going to be in Framer at some point soon. But this is like amazing. Okay, I'm gonna cut this video shorter before it runs too long. But I just wanted to show you guys what this is all about. Peace in the Middle East. Bye.